wanted to talk to you a little bit about testosterone for women. Boy, this is a controversial topic, and it just really stuns me that you go out there today and you cannot find an FDA-approved preparation of testosterone for women. You know, it's quite amazing. I can give you a volume's worth of literature that is several feet high on the benefits of testosterone to women. Well done, forward-looking, randomized controlled studies that show the absolute benefit of testosterone in sex drive, sexual responsiveness, sugar metabolism, cholesterol metabolism, visceral fat, subcutaneous fat, breast cancer protection, and on and on and on. There's so many articles I can't even keep track of them anymore. It's funny because everybody says, oh, you shouldn't be on testosterone. You have no many women that have come back and said, my doctor says I shouldn't be on testosterone. That is the furthest thing from the truth. You know that testosterone in women is one of the most plentiful sex hormones that there is. It's even more plentiful in women's bodies than estradiol is. Shock of the century. But you know what? The tide is turning. I came across a video article on Fox News not too long ago, which was an article looking at an FDA hearing on bioidentical hormones that our brand new FDA Commissioner Marty Makary put together. And it was absolutely stunning. There was a wonderful woman out there who was extolling the virtues of testosterone therapy in women. She really got right to the point. And I feel this way almost the same way. With all of the literature and all of the data, it's just absolutely shocking and stunning that women do not have an FDA-approved preparation for testosterone. And to me, it verges on the misogynistic. That is, why in the world can we have all of this data that's absolutely solid medical data and not do that? We brought testosterone to the market with very few studies. We brought Viagra to the market with very few studies. Yet when we have these plethora of studies on women's testosterone, we find that we can't get it to the market. We can't even get a drug company interested in it. I'm going to tell you, it will be a grand slam winner for any company that decides to bring it there, because it is the hormone of fun, enjoyment, life, health, vitality, vigor, activity, sex drive, sexuality. And when you put all of those things together with promoting health and even preventing and reducing the risk of breast cancer, it is absolutely a miraculous hormone that was in the body at birth and in the womb, and it deserves to be in the body in the older age. So if you're a woman and you've been told that, I encourage you to take a look at this link where you can see the actual statement by this woman. It's absolutely spectacular. It's stunning. It's fun. It's interesting. I think you'll get a kick out of it. And you also recognize that, hey, maybe I need to have my testosterone levels checked, or better yet, if you feel like you're a candidate for testosterone, if your provider thinks that you're a candidate for testosterone, the current recommendations are that you are a candidate no matter what your blood level is. So find a qualified provider who understands testosterone top to bottom for women. Give them a call, set up an appointment. We're open for that all of the time, and we love to see young women, even older women, and menopausal women who maybe need to have their testosterone adjusted. Give any well-qualified provider, but give us a call as well. This is Dr. John Carrozzella from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, and we're your testosterone for women experts.